show you just a short video. I went to the beehives today, and today I got out this frame that is full of honey. And just for comparison, this is what a frame looks like. When you first put it in the hive, it's empty. It's just a thin sheet of wax-coated plastic. Looks like that. And this alone weighs about a half a pound. And with this full of honey, it is over 4 pounds. You can see this side is pretty well filled out. And this side over here is very near filled out. You can see the honey inside those cells there. So if this was completely filled out, that's at least 4 pounds of honey in one frame. And in each super, you have 10 frames. So that would be about 40 plus pounds of honey if the whole thing is filled up. So that's looking pretty good. I'm gonna harvest this honey, and for now that's all I'm gonna take from them, just to make sure that they have enough when they head into winter. So there's our first small honey harvest.